What's up, guys? Here I have a simple build for this RC airplane. The fuselage is made out of cellophane and the wing is made out of Dollar Tree foam board. The horizontal stabilizer and the vertical stabilizer are made from Dollar Tree foam board as well. The fuselage length is about 22 inches. Wingspan is 28 inches with a little bit of dihedral. The horizontal stabilizer is 10.5 inches. Vertical stabilizer 7 inches. I'm using a Sunny Sky X 2200 7S kV motor with a 20 amp ESC and a 300 milliamp battery. That's plenty of power for this little airplane here. The center of gravity could be adjusted a little bit for a much stable flight. You'll see in the video that it's kind of doing some aerobatics right there. My prop adapter came off, so I wasn't able to go out again and get another flight in, so I couldn't find it. So I decided, that was it. Sorry for, the the video that, everything is spinning in the air. My son was doing the videoing, but I was able to get a short flight in, and if it wasn't for that prop adapter coming off, I would have had another flight in. A simple and easy build, very easy, very cheap. I think this is I would say maybe a $30 airplane. Very easy, very simple. But use a rubber band. Add a small crash, not bad, but either nosedive because of the center of gravity. So I had to adjust it that a bit. So I have my tape right there. I'm using for the prop, I'm using this 6x4. You can see here, 6x4 bullnose prop. It's pretty good. I got this from RC Buddy. Yeah, you gotta check them out. They have a lot of good stuff. But very simple. It's very I gotta check the weight. Let me check the weight. Sorry for the mess, guys. This is where I do all my stuff. As you can see, my table is full of RC stuff. So I'll check the weight, see how much this comes out to. All right, so everything came out to 356 grams. You can see. All right, 356. All right, guys, so it's a simple airplane to build. If it wasn't for the prop adapter coming off, I would have taken this up again. Most definitely. I'll be flying this again. I'll be getting another prop adapter installed, and I'll be taking it out back to the field. Once again, guys, if you find any value in this video, please leave a like, thumbs up, comment, and subscribe to my channel. That will help me out greatly. And I'll see you again in the next video. Thank you. God bless.